Welcome back to the Outdoor Plus. My name is Nia, and today we're taking a look at the Diamond Grill's Barbecue 5-burner grill with a built-in infrared burner, sitting in this beautiful stainless steel cart. Let's go! The Diamond Series cooking surface measures 39.5 inches by 19.5 inches in depth. The warming rack measures about 40.5 inches by 6 inches, giving you a total of 1,013 square inches of cooking surface. That's enough to cook about 60 patties all at once. The cooking grates on the grill are made up of 304 commercial-grade stainless steel, with rods measuring 8 millimeters thick, providing the perfect amount of heat retention. The flavor bars consist of 4 angled stainless steel plates that actively shield the burner from grease while creating more smoke, enriching the flavors of your food. Located underneath the flavor bars are 5 Onyx Pro burners, each crafted from commercial-grade stainless steel, delivering a powerful 17,000 BTU. The burners are 3 millimeters thick, making them excellent for both low and slow cooking and intense high-temperature cooking. Easily create those restaurant-level sear marks on any cut of meat or veggies. These durable burners are built to last and come equipped with our best-in-class lifetime warranty. Moving on to the ignition system. This Diamond Series features a flame torch system as its primary ignition method. The Diamond Series also has a secondary ignition system positioned at the back of the grill between each of the burners. This crossover design allows the flame to leap from burner to burner. This model also features the rear Onyx infrared burner, which is compatible with an optional rotisserie kit. The design of the rear infra burner is ideal for achieving a consistent heat distribution that is just right for rotisserie cooking. Perfect for sealing in all the juices, guaranteeing a perfectly cooked meal every single time. Among the grill's most remarkable optional features is its hybrid ability. Easily swap out one of the flavor bars with either a charcoal tray, smoker box, or both, giving your next meal a flavorful taste. Another awesome hybrid feature is the veggie grates. These grates are designed at 4 millimeters apart to prevent any lost veggies while ensuring they cook evenly. Swap out any grate and enjoy the full flexibility of this Diamond Grill. Each valve is fitted with a cool-to-touch knob that have silicone rings which act as heat barriers. This design ensures every knob twist is both smooth, safe, and prevents any heat transfer. The Diamond Grill Barbecue is a robustly constructed barbecue brimming with numerous luxury features. While it is initially set up for natural gas, it also includes a propane conversion kit and regulator, offering flexibility should you wish to change the type of gas used. Some additional features included with the 5-burner grill are the adjustable warming rack, a temperature gauge, the full-width grease tray, the storm guard, a cool grip anti-rotational handle, halogen lighting, a carry-over flame system, a removable back panel, interlocking front panel, and the double-line hood, which enhances the natural convection chamber and provides an extra layer of protection and durability. Thanks for watching. My name is Mia. If you'd like more information on the Diamond Grill 5-burner grill, please give us a call or follow the link in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us for more product highlights. We'll see you next time.